If you love woodworking but hate wasting time on crooked cuts or misaligned holes, this list is for you. Today, we're breaking down 10 incredible tools that'll make your shop more efficient, your builds more accurate, and honestly, a lot more fun. Every tool here solves a real problem, and by the end, you'll probably want to upgrade half your setup. Let's get into it. Number 1. Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler. Stop guessing where to drill. The Saker 4-in-1 Drilling Positioning Ruler turns every hole into a perfect one. It's part T-square, part cabinet jig, and part marking gauge, all in a sturdy aluminum design. Once you lock it in, your drawer handles and hinge holes line up perfectly every time. No more wasted boards or just a little off holes. It's the kind of tool that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it. Number 2. TOLESA 36 PCS Titanium Oscillating Tool Blades Kit. This TOLESA 36-piece oscillating blade kit is every DIYer's dream toolbox in a box. These titanium-coated blades chew through wood, metal, and plastic like it's nothing. Each blade fits most multi-tools, so you can switch from trimming to plunge cutting in seconds. They're sharp, durable, and designed to last through the tough jobs. Number 3. LoggerHead Meet the LoggerHead Bionic Grip Wrench. It's like having 14 wrenches in one. The jaws automatically grip whatever you throw at it. Hex, square, round, doesn't matter. You get a rock-solid hold every time, without slipping or stripping. The black finish gives it a tough, professional feel that looks as good as it works. One use, and you'll realize this wrench should have been in your toolbox years ago. Number 4. Ever tried tracing a weird curve or pipe edge by hand? Frustrating, right? The JOREST contour gauge makes that problem disappear. It locks any shape instantly. Flooring, trim, tile, furniture, you name it. You can even connect the 10-inch and 5-inch sections for custom sizes. Perfect for anyone who wants tight, professional-looking fits every single time. Number 5. Hedgehog Featherboard for table saws. The Hedgehog Featherboard is one of those small tools that makes a huge difference. It keeps your wood firmly pressed against the fence so you get smoother, safer cuts. The single knob adjustment makes setup incredibly quick, no fumbling or wasted time. It's durable, lightweight, and perfect for both hobbyists and pros. If you value clean cuts and peace of mind, this belongs on your saw table right now. Number 6. REXBETI 25-piece metal file set for finishing and shaping. The REXBETI file set is an absolute workhorse. You get 25 different files from large to mini, covering wood, metal, and plastic. Each one is made from premium T12 alloy steel, so they stay sharp and precise. It even includes gloves, sandpaper, and a sturdy carry case for organization. This set isn't just about variety. It's about control and quality on every detail. Number 7. RAK Magnetic Wristband. If you've ever dropped a screw right when you needed it most, you'll love this. The RAK Magnetic Wristband keeps screws, nails, and bits right where you need them, on your wrist. Powerful magnets are built right into the fabric, so nothing falls off while you're working. It's light, durable, and surprisingly comfortable for long sessions. Once you try it, you'll never want to work without it again. Number 8. Saker Mini Chainsaw Cordless. The Saker Mini Chainsaw might look small, but it's a beast when it comes to power and convenience. Perfect for trimming branches, cutting lumber, or tackling quick yard projects. The cordless design means you can take it anywhere. No cords, no hassle. It cuts clean, fast, and stays surprisingly quiet for the power it packs. This one tool can turn heavy yard work into a 5-minute job. Number 9. Little Giant King Kombo Ladder. The Little Giant King Kombo isn't just a ladder. It's a multi-tool for your height. It switches between A-frame, extension, and leaning ladder in seconds. Made from heavy-duty fiberglass, it's tough enough for pros and safe enough for home use. It holds up to 375 pounds, so stability is never a concern. If you want one ladder that does it all, this is the one to own. Number 10. Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool. Precision starts with good markings, and the Saker multi-function scribing tool nails that. Built from solid aluminum alloy, it's built to last and feels great in the hand. The deep hole pencil lets you mark where regular pencils can't reach. Perfect for marking edges, corners, and angles with pinpoint accuracy. This is one of those quiet tools that elevates every single project you do.